In a world where tiny gadgets promise big efficiency, today's review dives into a solar-powered wireless keyboard that charges from ambient light. It blends eco-credentials with everyday practicality, showing typing confidence and a crisp matte finish that resists fingerprints. The test covers battery longevity, key responsiveness, and a clever feature that pauses charging when idle. While not ideal in dim rooms, its green energy angle could cut desk clutter and reduce cable mess for remote workers. The verdict: durable, surprisingly consistent, and worth a closer look for light-filled workspaces.